Belinda, you know, we're big fans of the Staron solid surface. Its versatility is just unmatchable in the industry for indoor and outdoor application. But what's new in the range?
Well, what's new is people's love of, I suppose, terrazzos is, still strong. So we've increased our terrazzo options. So these are some of those beautiful colours that we had in our range prior. Very popular, especially this guy here, because he's got so many colourways in him. I've seen that in so many different sort of design options. And now we've got another one that's going to be, I think, as popular as this Venezia here, because it's got a few colourways you can work with. So it looks different across so many different sort of fit outs. And then we've got our nice little dark base one with the varying greys in there. And then we've got this little guy here that I think is also going to be a nice popular sort of colour. It's sort of a nice soft, you can bring it with your whites, or you can bring in your other colours and sort of work with it in many, many different ways.
The range just continues to evolve. Austaron Solid Surface here at the Build and Design Centre, 7 days a week, new colours. Come and see them.